Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2025, our system has identified SOX as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.79. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 96.97% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 96.97% to 137.10%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -41.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -94.77% to -35.14% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.31 and $16.20. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, Significant Movements in SOXL ETF Price on Thursday, fluctuating by 10.5% between its high and low. The SOXL ETF price decreased by 9.53% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, dropping from $27.61 to $24.98. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 10.5%, ranging from a low of $24.20 to a high of $26.74. Throughout this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in an 8.57% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 36 million shares on the last day, despite falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that risk may rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 131 million shares changed hands for approximately $3.27 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $43.42, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price stands at 42.47%, or $18.44, below the 52-week high, and 93.40%, or $353.26, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments suggest a renewed interest in the semiconductor sector, particularly for the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares, or SOXL. The recent passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill could provide a significant boost, encouraging more investment in chips. As momentum builds, traders are advised to keep an eye on leveraged products like SOXL to capitalize on this opportunity. Furthermore, the market for tech stocks is showing signs of recovery, although the rally isn't uniform across the sector. This uneven performance highlights the potential for targeted investments, particularly in exchange-traded funds focused on semiconductor companies. The recent launch of Grok 4 signals an impending surge in artificial intelligence-driven demand, which is expected to positively impact semiconductor stocks. SOXL, being a leveraged exchange-traded fund, offers a high-risk, high-reward option for investors looking to benefit from this anticipated growth. However, it's important to note that leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL are best suited for short-term trading due to their inherent volatility. Recent reports indicate tactical setups favoring SOXL, with buy signals and gamma positioning suggesting additional upside in the near term. Specifically, there is a bullish sentiment around price levels clustering around $25, emphasizing a short-term play that aligns with technical indicators and market dynamics. In the short term, these developments may drive SOXL's stock price higher as traders respond to positive news and technical opportunities. However, investors should remain cautious of the risks associated with long-term holding in leveraged funds, given their susceptibility to market volatility and compounding effects during downturns. Overall, the consolidation of positive factors and demand signals indicates a cautiously optimistic outlook for SOXL in the upcoming months. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $26.21 and $25.07. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 9.53%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 58 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.04 and $18.84. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $20.04. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.84 and $18.81. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $2.54 between its high and low, or 10.5%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 5.38%. Now let's discuss some potential day tracking levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $25.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $20.04. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there has been no stop loss established. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF presents several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SOXL will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our assessment for this ETF from a strong buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 33 cents and begin trading at $25.31. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here's our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.